Are economic activities planned in your settlement? You have the right to know about its consequences and to participate in decision-making. Create an initiative group that will correspond with government agencies, collect documents and inform all interested parties about the results. Request a state environmental expert review report and an environmental impact assessment from the State Agency for Environmental Protection of the Kyrgyz Republic and the State Construction Committee. If the decision on the construction is made and there are no conclusions of the state ecological expertise and impact assessment, it is a reason to go to court. If an environmental impact assessment has been carried out, you have the right to familiarize yourself with its results. The conclusion should reflect the predicted consequences of activities on people and the environment. Prior to an environmental impact assessment, the law requires that public hearings shall be held and that their results shall be reflected in official documents. Failure to hold hearings and inform the public is a violation of Kyrgyz law and international environmental requirements. Public hearings should be held when there are still many things to change, so it is very important to participate in the hearings. At hearings, you can make suggestions, raise concerns, and mark risks so that they can be addressed in time, and the initiator of the activity can take them into account. Actively use the media outlets and social networks to inform about the process. The public may initiate a public environmental impact assessment. The report of the Public Environmental Impact Assessment is of a recommendatory nature, but it should be taken into account when making decisions. Public participation in environmental decision-making is one of the basic environmental rights. Its implementation requires our civic position and non-indifference to the environment. More information is on the BIOM Ecological Movement website.